So welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at the new iMac, which is a 24-inch screen with the standard M4 chip in it. So I've gone for this in the light blue colour, which looks very nice on the picture. The box feels really well packaged. Right, so let's get into this unboxing and see what. Let's have a look what's inside this box. So I'll take the usual Apple packaging off, seal off. That's not all done. I think we have to lie it down. Just lie it down. Here we are. So I'll just pick up the camera and show you. So here we are. This is the iMac unboxing, and really nicely packaged and protected. So we've got both sides here. Just pull that off. Oh, lots of cardboard. You can see the blue coming out under there, which looks really nice. And then the iMac, I think the keyboard might be underneath actually. Yes, so it's underneath there. So I'll just pause this one as the camera a sec, and then we'll get it on the setup on the desk. So as you can see, I've got the iMac out of its box, so it's just over here. There you go. Nicely packaged as always, and we've got the accessories down here, all in the same colour as the iMac itself, which is a really nice touch. So even the power cord is the same light blue colour, the keyboard, and I think even the mouse is colour coded. Look, it's a really nice touch that from Apple. So we'll put the mouse down there. Nice blue keyboard. Oh look, everything's USB-C now, which is a great finish. Much easier than going back to Lightning, but the only problem we do have is the USB-C port is still on the bottom of the mouse, so I'll go over that in the review. But power supply. So the power supply has got the Ethernet port built into it. So if you choose, this is the 1699 model, and it has the Ethernet port on the power supply. So that's a gigabit Ethernet port. You can upgrade that to a 10 gigabit Ethernet port if you've got really fast internet, but this is just a gigabit one, which is adequate for me because I only have half a gigabit here, so that's fine. And it's nice how they've neatened it up so you don't have one cable going to the computer. I like that side of it. I think that's good. We've got more power cable, the actual power cable to connect to the power brick. So you get quite a lot in the box for the iMac. And then you've got the iMac, just the terms and conditions of the warranty and everything, so nothing exciting there. So there you have it, that's the full iMac unboxing. So we'll get this unpeeled now and have a look. I'll just turn the other camera around, so I'll turn it for a second. Right, so we have the, take the screen cover off now, so if I just go here. I don't know if this is actually plastic free, I'm assuming it's not. It's quite hard to protect it. Oh look, we've got a double layer on here, which is a nice touch. Extra protection, so we're going for the peel then. 1, 2, 3, if I can find the tab. Where's the tab gone? Oh, here it is, sorry. 1, 2, 3, we go for the peel. Ooh, that's really hard, that one actually. And that is absolutely beautiful. I love that blue design. I think that looks fantastic. So I think that is probably one of the nicest looking iMacs in that colour that I've seen. I really like that blue. It's a nice colour. So that leaves the unboxing. So we've now got the iMac in light blue with the M4 chip in it. And this is the 512 gigabyte hard drive, 16 gigabytes of RAM version, and I've now set up my Mac Mini M4 Pro which is a speed demon, which I'll go on about later. It's absolutely blisteringly fast in my video editing, so I'll go over that in full review. But we've now set up the, so what I'll do is I'll set this up, do some initial impressions, and then we'll get a full long-term review done later on. So thank you for watching, guys. We hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Really appreciate it. Thank you.